Alright, my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your side with breaking news. I don't come back again with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside our nation, Nigeria. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He don't depart Abuja, go Tanzania to go attend the Africa Heads of State Energy Summit wey they don arrange say it will happen on the 27th day of January to the 28th day of January for this year 2025. And this summit will be hosted by the Tanzanian government in collaboration with the African Development Bank Group and the World Bank. It aim to advance Mission 300, and that na a bold initiative where they target electricity access for 300 million Africans by the year 2030. So like this now, my good people, men we go put body, men we go attend this summit go be African leaders, private sector stakeholders, development partners, and civil society organizations. All of them now will come together to strategize on addressing the energy challenges of our continent. And the countries we go participate for this summit now will be say our nation Nigeria they involved. They go present their national energy strategies. They go drop their plans to achieve universal energy access within the next 5 years. And for inside this summit, my good people, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is very much expected to deliver a national statement wey go reinstate the commitment of this our green white green country Nigeria to universal energy access and our nation Nigeria's leadership in Africa's energy sector. And our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don arrange himself. Say after every we go sup for inside the summit, he go just pack in Ngongo, come back to the capital state of this our nation Nigeria wey be Abuja. But however, my good people, the one and only Mr. Peter Obi wey be the former governor of Anambra State, he na don come aside now the Yano. Say president of a country no need to travel the whole world before they go come dey attract foreign investment into their own country. Mr. Peter Obi dey yarn all this level for inside one post wey he drop for in official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X. And for this post, my good people, he yarn plenty, no be small. He say investment dey flow naturally where the environment is very much conducive, as there will not be any need to force am. Wetin Mr. Peter Obi dey try talk be say, just as sugar dey attract ants, now so good environment still dey attract investment. So if your home now is okay, if you know say you dey do things and things wey make sense, wey dey nice, wey dey attractive, you no even need stress yourself. All you guys do na to just relax, and you go just dey see investment go just dey flock in from every corner and every angle. Mr. Peter Obi can even proceed further. They describe investment and conducive environment as a honey and bee kind of relationship. According to the former Anambra State governor, foreign direct investment does not come with president globe-trotting. And no be lie, my good people, no be every day we go see say Donald Trump they make those kind of travels. You know they do that kind of levels because they feel as if their nation Nigeria is well established. Anybody or any country will be lucky enough to partner with US. So I believe say that's now why Mr. Peter Obi dey yarn say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no be by travel. Now to just calm down, make sure say our nation Nigeria don't arrange itself proper, and he go see how investment will just fly in instead of him to fly out. They go find investment and make it no be like say he does the talk cho, he no back am up with some kind evidence or something like that. Mr. Peter Obi come dey yarn say he no get any time now when going to compare with nation Nigeria with the United States of America, because the USA now then get over $28 trillion GDP. But our country Nigeria gets about $250 billion GDP. And our nation Nigeria GDP is less than 1% of the USA their GDP. So wetin you want do now to just observe and understand where investments they flow in and why. And investment they flow into places with an inevitable favorable environment. Place will be say they organize already. Place will be say they don't already plaster, they don't already establish. That's now where investments they always they flow in, they go. So making an example now, Mr. Peter Obi can talk about the $1.1 trillion investment inflow into the USA this month. And he say this kind levels now, this investment wey dey come the USA, e dey happen because say the environment e dey okay and they get intangible assets, and they even achieve am without their president flying around the world. So that's now why im dey always talk am say with the right leadership and with prioritizing intangible assets and with security, with rule of law and resources wey dey allocated to productive sectors appropriately, that go unleash a productive society and e go come allow entrepreneurship to thrive. And when all these levels now don dey work well, when entrepreneurship don dey thrive, this one go in turn attract investment. Then Mr. Peter Obi come still make another example of all this level wey im dey yarn. He come talk about Indonesia, wey get similar population of around 265 million, and they just use like 10 to 15% take pass our nation Nigeria population wey get 230 million. But this Indonesia now, wey be say their population high pass our own, they invest in critical areas like healthcare, education and poverty alleviation. So as they don't put their focus on all these kind of levels now, it can make their country can achieve significant development and it can even attract foreign investment. Instead, just check out Indonesia now, where we say they get a nominal GDP of approximately $165 billion for inside year 2000. But now, they don't get a GDP of about $1.39 trillion for inside the year 2024, an increase of over 8 times. While India, who all of us know, then get a nominal GDP of approximately $476 billion for inside the year 2000. But now go check, then get a GDP of about 3.73 trillion naira for inside the year 2024. And that's an increment of nearly 8 times. Then check out our country Nigeria, we get a nominal GDP of approximately $70 billion for inside the year 2000. Now we still get GDP of about $210 billion for inside the year 2024. This ratio now they signify an increment of over 3 times. So according to Mr. Peter Obi, wetin this our green white green country Nigeria need to learn at this stage from these countries, make our nation Nigeria now touchlight the things and things wey Indonesia and India do for them to achieve that massive growth, instead of to dey travel the whole world, to dey go up and down, they go attend summit or to go attend any meeting wey come board. So this my good people, now the informate I want share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give on a legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this info and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we bring more news they come, now go first get the informate and you even get them sharp. And they come inside again to that legit news for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.